Okay, hi guys, good morning. This video is all about stock investing for newbies. Okay, kung newbie ka, itong mga series of videos is all you need so that you can start stock investing. So this limang parts ito. This is the first one. So this is the part 1 of 5. So first, you have to choose 3 stocks from PSE or blue chips. Some call it say blue chips. So I will show you how, okay? You go to call platform sa PSE, ito, just click and boom. Ito na yung 30 PSE o blue chips ng mga stocks. Pili ka rito, BDO, GFC. So kunyari, we'll just pick 3, okay? So we will pick SM Prime Holdings. Where is it? There, number 30. And then Jollibee. Si Jollibee. Okay, here. And video. Okay. So that's how you choose the stocks from the PSE. Okay. So regardless kung anong gusto mo, basta ang importante doon, the company that you choose is the one na gusto mo and more or less alam mo yung overview ng operation niya. Kumbaga naiintindihan mo yung business. And most importantly, gusto mo. Okay? So that's it. Watch out for the next video. See you guys. Bye.